Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export video from Animoto. After finishing a video in Animoto, the final step is exporting it so you can download or share it. And exporting allows you to save a video in a playable format, and in this video I'll explain step by step how to export a video from Animoto. So first, make sure you already have an Animoto app. You can go to the Play Store or App Store and download it from there as well, and open to your Animoto app and make sure you're logged into your Animoto account. And over here from the dashboard you can select the completed video you want to export, and make sure all edits, music, text and images are finalized before exporting. To do that, you can open to your project on the bottom left that says my videos and select one of the video that you want to export. So once your project is open in the editor, you can look for the export or download button, usually located on the bottom, and tap on the download. And once the export is complete, you can download the video to your device or share it directly to social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook and Instagram as well. And that's it. That's how you can export a video from Animoto. With just a few clicks, your video is ready to share with your world. And thanks for watching. I hope I could help you on how to export your video in Animoto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.